The Association of Traditional Heads of Shillong, Kasenjuk Kirang Bashnongasor Shillong, has appealed to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to hand over the 2-acre plot of land which was given to the government of Nagaland and the government of Meghalaya had taken back to Neigrihms for the construction of Meghalaya House to cater to the needs for temporary stay of patients who came for treatment to this prestigious super specialty hospital from rural areas and from other states of the region while undergoing treatment here in Maodiangdiang. The Neigrihms management had agreed to construct the building for this purpose and they are ready to charge a nominal amount from patients while staying for treatment here. The whole setup will be under the management and care of the hospital authorities. If this plant fructifies, it will be a great relief for patients coming from far-flung areas of the state and the region. Leaders of this association also informed that the director of this hospital has managed to convince doctors not to leave their service from this hospital for some other hospitals in the region.
You see, after what we have seen, which came out in the Shillong Times and the newspaper on the 20th of June 2022, we were very much concerned as citizens of the state of Meghalaya, as responsible citizens. You just cannot imagine that there is an exodus, resignation of doctors from Neigrihms. If it really happens, what will be the fate of the people of Meghalaya and Shillong city as well? You see, Neigrihms is a pride for our state since it's within the state of Meghalaya. So seeing this, we went and met the director of Neigrihms, Dr. Nalin Mehta, personally to know from him what is the root cause. So we came to know that yes, as human beings, we always try to aspire at a higher stage of life. So when facilities are there at Guwahati through AIMS, so they want to go that side and no one can hold it, right? And this is a human tendency. I will also take a chance if I have such an opportunity. But he has explained it to them, look, my colleagues, AIMS is not going to come tomorrow or today. It will take at least 3-4 years. So in that process, he has managed to convince out of 20, at least 15 doctors, they said, okay, we'll remain here. So we asked him also, what are the other facilities that are required for Neigrihms? So he has mentioned. So we have taken up with the Chief Minister and we have given a memorandum. Apart from that, we have Neigrihms here. But the people from the far-flung areas, from every nook and corner of Meghalaya, who comes for treatment, they are in great difficulties, they feel hardships, where to stay. Everything is so expensive nowadays. So we have asked the state government that after a deliberate discussion with the director of Neigrihms, he has given us his words that Neigrihms is ready to build a building as the Meghalaya House to be run by Neigrihms itself at a subsidized rate, provided the land is being given by the state government. That land, around 2 acres is there, vacant land, which was previously given to the state of Nagaland during the previous government, but now it has been taken back. So the Chief Minister, he has given his concern that they are ready to give it to Neigrihms. So we'll have a second round meeting with the director of Neigrihms, with the Sunjok and the state government.